we got lighting here.
Oh, it's off.
County Line Performance providing all the great camera equipment. Keeping it natural. Always keeping it natural. Just got the car back from Mako Dale, and it is looking pretty damn good.
Look at that reflection.
I mean, the reflection series. Look, oh man, look at the reflection down that white line. But nah, funny car, hoop, everything looking really good. Cub's gonna take some nice, like, cinematic, you know, looking shots for y'all. But now we can finally start final assembly and make it start looking like a car. So for those of y'all that don't know, I've been building a new garage. I got a patio I've been waiting on a building. The smart car finally did. Bro, whoa! William, whoa! He's getting it. Oh, it's not doing it. It's not doing it. It's not doing it. Oh, there it is. There it is. There it is. Oh. What? Come on now, he's got it in a little better now. I might have to put some water down. Do I need to put some water down? This works as water. All right, hold on. A little bit more under this. All right. Pull forward just a little bit. Pull forward. All right, you're good. All right, go ahead. Oh, there it is. There it is. Bro, this smart car did a burnout finally. Oh, you're stuck? Did you lock your hubs? No. He said he'll pull you out. Wait, what happened, bro? Did you lock your hubs in?
I locked them in fucking 4 low, but I didn't lock the hubs.
Lock the hubs.
That shit's just sunk.
He's stuck. All right, lock your hubs in. Oh, we got funny. Oh, he's going off the edge. He's going off the edge. Hold on. There he goes. The Jetta is good to go. All right, there you go, boy. He didn't lock his hubs in. His vacuum lines are broke.
My brother-in-law gets stuck in his yard.
Jeez.
I pulled him out twice.
So this lets you know that your vacuum lines are broke and your hubs don't automatically lock.
We figured that out that one day. Remember that?
We figured this out today. Yeah.
No, last time too.
Oh, okay. Well, hey, by the way, there's a way to manually lock your hubs. You twist your hub, and then it'll come out. And now you just ruined my yard, and I just have to disown you. And it's just...
Yeah, there's gonna be a bill in the mail for that.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. All right. So we're gonna see the smart car do a burnout again. It did it for once. Oh, we got a wheel chop too, though. I mean, we'll see. It smells like nothing but rubber in here.
And Molly Cruz on the radio.
My power steering is broke. Oh, hold on.
Oh, it did something over there. Unreal. Whoa, there we go. So we reverted to the old tried and true. There it is. the world record for the longest burnout in a smart car, bone stock. All right, so tonight we're in Norman's garage. Typical Honda boy. He's gonna try to attempt a kickflip. A kickflip. Whoa! Oh shit! Oh!